What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Terra and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly, it's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Terra is a project that has been performing exceptionally well recently. Since the start of the year, it's actually ran up a grand total of around 3,300% roughly, which is a massive gain. It looks as though it's ran from around 60 to 70 cents here, all the way to around $23 at the time of recording this video, as its all-time high. And now it's since been correcting to the downside. It looks as though it's painting a bull flag, which we have outlined here, as you can see quite clearly. It seems as though the price action has been coming up, and then it's actually come down. It seems as though it was going to range in this area for quite a while, but obviously, as we can see, the market-wide correction that we saw in April did see the price action coming down. We have seen a double bottom here. The price action has moved back up, and it was ranging quite nicely in this $15 to $20 range, as we can see here. But obviously, the second piece of FUD that hit the market in the past few days about Elon Musk, Bitcoin, and there's also some Tether FUD along with Binance. Basically, an article going around saying that Binance is being looked into by the Fed for money laundering, which isn't actually the case. If you read the article, it quite clearly says that Binance is working with officials to find bad actors that are using Binance, but they're not actually looking into Binance themselves. But obviously, people get very triggered in the cryptocurrency market, and there is a lot of volatility due to fear and uncertainty, especially with so many new investors coming into the space. So whenever anyone sees bad news, it tends to move the market quite a lot. So we did see another sell-off in the market, but as we can see, this strong blue trend line, which has a lot of touching points here, has been respected this whole time. And we can imagine that Terra is probably going to continue to the upside very shortly. In a bull market, these bull flags most likely will be breaking to the upside. And as we can see, this blue trend line is a very strong support. We could easily imagine that Terra in the next few weeks is going to break to the upside and probably come back to retest this all-time high of around $23. If it can break this strong area of structure here, which we'll outline with a green line because that is quite a lot of structure. If it can break this level of structure here, as we can see, let me just get a green line. We probably will see Terra heading to the upside again. We'd definitely like to see Terra breaking out of this bull flag to the upside, as we can see here. Hopefully breaking through this resistance. There is quite a lot of structure and resistance here, as we can see, at around this $19 level. If we could see that, we'd strongly believe that Terra could come up and then retest this as support, head to the upside, maybe bounce off and retest some of these last areas of structure at around $22 to $23. And then once that's the case, we could see it heading up past its all-time high again. We think this is a project that has a massive amount of potential. It's obviously been absolutely exploding recently. It's got a massive ecosystem, all kinds of smart money, smart contract and programmable money things going on. The Anchor protocol is something that we're especially interested in because they are giving a 20% APR on basically lended stablecoins for their Anchor protocol. On their is it USDT? It's TUSD, I believe, or UST. Sorry, that's the one. On their UST on Anchor, which is something that everyone should go and check out because it is insured money and very safe in our opinion. Terra are a massive company, and it's very likely that they are going to continue to perform well in this bull run. Their ecosystem is expanding rapidly. They're providing more and more utility, and we do think that the adoption is going to come as a result of that as well. We believe their market cap is around 5 to 10 billion at the time of recording this video. So they've still got a good amount of space to run in this bull run as well. We do think that a 10x is most likely possible for Terra in this year, which would be obviously a very, very nice gain from this time. Currently, we're sitting at a price of around $15 to $16. But we do think Terra is a project that is going to definitely do very, very well this run. And we wouldn't be surprised in the short term if it broke this all-time high and headed into the $30 to $40 range. And then, as we said, from here, we do believe that a 10x is definitely possible for Terra Luna, considering all the amazing fundamentals that they have. And they are starting to get a really good amount of adoption as well. There's a lot of lending going on their platform, and UST is actually getting quite a large market cap just by itself. So Terra, we do think, is still quite undervalued considering all the utility that it's offering, and it's getting a good amount of adoption. So we're feeling very bullish about this protocol in general. So a short-term price target, we do think $30 to $40 is very, very reasonable, which would be around a 2x, just under a 2x of the previous all-time high. And obviously with altcoin season just around the corner, Bitcoin dominance falling below 40% for the first time. I think ETH dominance is around 20%. Altcoin season does seem to be closing in, and Terra Luna is a quality altcoin which could see some of the market cap falling down into its market cap and growing the project. So with the trickle down economics in play, with altcoin season just around the corner, we do think that Terra Luna could potentially be a project that does incredibly well. So our long-term price prediction, as we said, we think a 10x from here is very reasonable, so around $150, $160. But depending on how extended the bull run does become and how parabolic it does become at the end, we could even see a 20x for Terra Luna, considering how well this project is expanding, the amount of adoption that it's getting, and the amount of utility that's providing. So we would say a long-term price target for the end of year, at least $150, which is around a 10x from the current price. But we do think this is a project which has massive potential and is growing very nicely. So a short-term price target of $30 to $40 and a long-term price target of $150 at least this year. So that's our price prediction for Terra Luna today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, just tap that like button now for us. Currently, only 10% of viewers are sub, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. If you want to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to the YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio that we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.